Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. We can analyze the major forex pair for forex. You can see that our analysis is 90 to 95% accurate. You can check out my analysis also guys. Hope you like those videos. If you made any profit, please comment down and let me know guys. Okay guys, now we can start the euro versus US dollar. You can see here guys, this is the one of the smallest trend line. Right now it's broken. Okay guys, so this is the very big opportunity to you have to take here position, and your first target will be here somewhere. Okay guys, this will be the second target, third, this will be the fourth, fifth and sixth target. Okay guys, also I am telling you, if you have taken somewhere here support or something, your SL will be somewhere here. Keep small SL and take 2 to 3 position guys. Even you can have to take a not big SL. If you don't take a big SL, so you have got a very nice trade, because you take a very small SL, so you can enter 3 times in that trade. Okay guys, that's why I am take like this. Okay guys, so you can see here guys, first time, second, third, fourth, so many times it taken a resistance. So this time it will definitely breaks. If it came, so it will definitely break and goes upside momentum. Okay guys, if possibility is that if it will take a resistance somewhere here only, then you can expect that this will be the your in downside target. Okay guys, here somewhere your first target will be here, second target is, third target somewhere here, fourth and fifth target. Okay guys, hope you like this. Okay guys, we can see the next major forex is GBP versus US dollar guys. Okay guys, right now you are seeing is that this is continuously consolidating and making this is the trend line. After this break, you can definitely go for bigger momentum like this. If it will break, then you can go for your first target is, second target, third and fourth target. Okay guys, these are the fourth target. Okay guys, if it is continuously taking here resistance and came down, you can expect your first and second target. Okay guys, here only it may be reversible, so you can book your 80%, or you can continue. If you have confidence, then you can take third, fourth and fifth target. Okay guys, higher possibility is that it will break upside momentum only guys. Okay guys, your SL will be somewhere here. You have to keep, if you have taken somewhere here position, your SL will be somewhere here guys. Okay guys, and this is the ideal trade. So if this will break, so definitely go and buy there. Okay guys, right now you can see here in euro versus GBP, it broken a bigger supporting and resistance zone. So right now supporting zone has been broken and it taking a continuously resistance right now. So this is the pending target. So right now it is taking resistance, so you have to see where it becoming a reversible. After it will came downside, so you can definitely go up till here. Your first target, you can see here guys, your first target will be a second, third, fourth target. Okay guys, in upside momentum also these are the target guys. I will just shift it down so we don't get any confusion in here. Okay guys, you also check out my the analysis, those what we have made, because there is so many learning points are there. Go and check out guys please, and share with your friends and families also guys, so I will get motivated to make like this videos. If you have any queries, please comment down, I will let me know, so I will solve those queries for you. Okay guys, we can see next forex pair is US dollar versus Canadian dollar. You can see that it is continuously taking right now what is it's doing resistance here. What I have told you, it taken a support, taking resistance, but also I am seeing this is the one of the major trend line right now. Okay guys, right now it's broken and taking a support guys. Okay guys, this is the ideal thing. Otherwise, if you don't want to enter somewhere here, don't want to take risk, then you can go for here somewhere. Okay guys, your first target somewhere here only guys, your second target, your third target guys. Okay guys, these are the 3 target. After this is the trend line, so it will breaks somewhere here, take resistance and came down also. Okay guys, here somewhere it came, then you can full quantity you can book and take a resistance, and up till here once again it can be came. Okay guys, so I will just shift it here somewhere. Okay, right now we can see in downside 2 guys. Okay guys, so we have to discuss downside 2. it will came downside. Okay guys, somewhere here only, taken a resistance somewhere here. I will just show you our first target and final target will be here. If in flow it will break, then our second, third, okay guys, and our fourth and final target. Okay guys, I will just make a mark here so you can get it. So somewhere here only it will break this line, then only go for short guys, otherwise don't go for short. Okay guys, so right now we have discussed this too. So we can see in US versus CHF, you can see that what I have told you exactly like that behave. Okay guys, right now it is taking a resistance only, but it is in a proper supporting zone. So if it will take support, our first target will be here guys, and maybe it will consolidate. If it will break, then gives us very big momentum, our second, third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, these are the four target in upside momentum. We can see and take a downside momentum too. If it will take a resistance somewhere here, our first target will be somewhere here, second target is here, third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, probability is very high it will break, so I will just make a trend line for you. If this will break this trend line, then you can go for bigger momentum in upside momentum. Okay guys, so we have discussed this also. We can see in AUD versus CHF, I have told you exactly here only taken resistance and coming down right now. So this is the major resistance area right now for us. So it is continuously consolidating. Once again it will came somewhere here and take a resistance. Our first target will be here guys, second, third and our final fourth target. Okay guys, you have to go short somewhere. Just a second guys. Okay, somewhere this will be broken. After this broken, you can go for short guys. Okay, otherwise it taken resistance somewhere here, then only go short. Otherwise if it will came once again upside momentum and take somewhere here support, our first target somewhere here only guys, second target, this will definitely break, because here somewhere only continuously tried bias. So this time it will break, then our third target, our fourth and fifth final target. Okay guys, we can see next New Zealand dollar versus US dollar guys. It is exactly what we have expected. There only it has been closed. So this is the one of the major supporting areas. Okay guys, I will just shift it down. Okay guys, this is the major supporting areas right now for us. So here somewhere I am seeing the trend line also. So this is the bigger frame time trend line. Okay guys, in smaller time frame, if you are scalper or something, then you can see this in smaller time frame. Okay guys, if this will break, this is the bigger trend line. So if it will bigger in bigger time frame only, we can discuss that. If taken resistance and if it will break, then our first target guys, second, third, fourth target guys. Okay guys, these are the bigger momentum. If this will small trend line will break, then you can go for your first target and second target up till here only. You are a scalper, so you don't want bigger target, because you are doing scalping within 1 hour or 4 hours you will be exited. So you have got very nice target here also. Okay guys, if it will take resistance somewhere here only, then our first target will be somewhere here, second guys, third and our fourth target guys. Okay guys, we have discussed this also. We can see here in euro versus Japanese yen, I have told you it maybe make a big momentum. Right now it is continuously consolidating. Once it will break this trend line too, then we can expect our first target guys, our second target guys, our third target guys, our fourth target, even our fifth target guys. Okay guys, these are the 5 target in upside momentum. If once again it will take resistance, this is very low probability, but still take resistance. Our 2 target will be here. Okay guys, our third target and our fourth target guys. Okay guys, you can go for downside also if you have strongly momentum, but you can see here if it will break, it gives us very big momentum, so keep eye on it too guys. Okay guys, it will came downside up till here also guys. Once again it will take support and goes upside momentum also, it will be done. So I will just make that. If once again came downside and take support somewhere here, our first target, second target, and you can continue these target only here. Okay guys, we can see next forex pair is that AUD versus CHF. Right now it is giving us very nice sign. Okay guys, this is the one of the major trend line. You can see that how smallly buyer and sellers are fighting right now. Okay guys, and this is the one of the major trend line for me. Okay guys, you can see here also, you can see somewhere here right now also a smaller trend line. Okay guys, supporting area, if it will break, definitely gives us very big momentum of first target, second, third, fourth, and our final fifth target. Okay guys, we can see also in downside momentum, if it will breaks and taken resistance, our first, second, third, fourth, and final fifth target. Okay guys, we can see next major forex pair is AUD versus, oh sorry guys, GBP versus Japanese yen. Okay guys, already it gives us very big momentum. I have told you this is consolidating. After it will break, gives us very big momentum. We got a 1:9 risk to reward here. Okay guys, you can check out my previous analysis video also. Okay guys, right now you can see here this will act as resistance also, because you can see here bigger time frame, so this will act as resistance, but right now it is not acting like that. So we can check out like this. You can see here this is continuing making a higher high, and right now it is acting as a resistance for us right now. Okay guys, if it will break in upside momentum once again, just a second guys. So if it will break, take support or in flow only, our first target and second target only, you have to book your 80% guys. After that you have confidence, then you can go for third and fourth target too guys. Okay guys, if once again it makes a M pattern guys, okay guys, once again take a here only it in reversible, so our first target will be somewhere here, second target guys, our third, and our fourth target guys. Okay guys, you can take up till here. Okay guys, this is the analysis for forex guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please go and subscribe my channel. Also you can get the US stock market update also, index trading and stock market also. If you like this video, please share with your friends and family and support me guys. If you do support me or subscribe me, so I will know that my a subscriber needs more information related to this, so I will share more information and more trade also I will give in Telegram channel. I have Telegram channel link in the description guys, go and check out that too guys. Thank you guys, have a nice day guys.